So in this video I'm going to show you the designer of Flowplayer. So when you are in the flowplayer.org website and you click on designer, okay, you here have the opportunity to set the style of your video. Here we have a default video. Okay, we can also choose a video, or use a sample. Then they say from my library. Here I have one video in my library. I can click on this and I have my video. Okay, but I want to use the default one now. So as you can see here, we have the player with the timeline, the volume bar, okay, the logo, the duration here, and then here the possibility to have a full screen. Here you have if you click over this, you copy this to your website. The code that you produce here, you can copy to your website. It's like when you embed a YouTube video into your website. Here we can see that we have some options regarding the player. Okay, they refer to the layout of the player. You have the minimalist, functional, playful. If you go to minimalist, the one with the lower feature, you can see here, you click over, or you have the functional here. You have more features, playful even more. Okay, it depends on you. What is your goal? Okay, it's a look and feel. I select the minimalist and I say it's overlaid. It's overlaid. If I click not on overlaid, you can see here is an overlaid is basically transparent, and it can be played on mouse over. For example, here if I click on mouse over, you can see here it's only playing with mouse over. I remove this. I want the background. I can decide to change the background. Here we have hexadecimal for black. Okay, so the background is this hexadecimal for black, and then if you click here, you can change if you want the background or the player only. Then you have the timeline that is black basically. You can also change this if you want. You can see here you can change. I can say blue. The background is here. Then I want the progress is red, but I can change also the progress. I have it blue, and the buffer, when you load the video, there is a buffer. You have this color here, but you can also change this color, and the side background, if you want, you can also change the side background. You see here that this background if you want as well. Then you have this is for the control bar. So this is the control bar, this area. Okay, the timeline, the progress, and the buffer. Okay, then the user interface here is composed of some other options. The first one is I have the time here. I can also say I don't want to show the time, or I show the time. I want the volume, or I decide not to show the volume here. I want to show the slider. I don't want to show the slider. I only want to show that there is a volume but not the slider. So the volume is gone, and I say here click. Okay, then I want to change the time of the top left. Okay, I can change also the direction. I can click on this and say play. I show the play button here instead to have this here, and then I can say embed or not. Here I have the embed. If I don't click, this embed code is gone. I can use this if I want people going to my website and then copy the code of my video and paste them in their blog, for example. For me, it's very good. Full screen, I want the full screen option. Here you can see here I can click on full screen. Okay, I have full screen. Okay, or not. Okay, or I decide that I don't have the full screen and it's gone. Okay, then I want the dark icons. I click over this. Then I want other features. I want a playlist. I click here, then I will include other videos. You can see here underneath. Then I have to choose which videos, of course. And I want to have shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts, yes or no, like Control P or etc. I want Google Analytics. I want to include Google Analytics, okay, and I want to have subtitles, and I have my subtitles. Okay, then for my playback, I want to start with a splash image, and I have a splash image here, or I can also remove if I want a splash image, and I will preload video. I want, and when I show the page, the video is loaded. If I preload the video, then I will take some time to preload the video. And loop means that I will play continuously. Say to me, play back the video. Branding is you remove the Flowplayer logo, but of course you need a commercial version. It's not valid for a free account. Okay, then when you're done on this, you can view the source, and here we are. We have here the HTML, the entire HTML code of this page, and then I will show you in the next video how you can show this in your HTML page, in a separate page, okay, also on your local computer. Okay, see you in the next video.